Before concluding the briefing session, as a spokesperson for the Royal Government of Cambodia, I would like to draw the attention of my fellow Cambodian citizens as well as the international community on the event as follows. Thailand is using the landmine explosion as an issue to blame Cambodia and portrays itself as the victim to mislead the international community, even though it was the Thai military forces violating the Ceasefire Agreement by moving forces into area with landmine left over from the war. They also were the one laying tires, installing barbed wires, and mobilizing weapons, etc., etc., during the implementation of the Ceasefire Agreement. These are irrefutable proofs. To emphasize these matters, once again, I would like to highlight the two very vital points among the 13 points of the agreement resulting from the extraordinary meeting of the Cambodia-Thailand General Border Committee GBC held on August 7, 2025 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, as follows. Point 2 stated that both sides are in agreement to maintain their current troops deployments without further movement as it is at the time of the ceasefire come into effect at midnight of 28 July 2025 local time. There shall be no troop movements, including patrols, toward the other side position. And point number 4 stated that both sides agree not to undertake provocative actions that may escalate tensions. This includes military activities to enter the other side's airspace and territory or positions. Both sides agree to refrain from constructing or enhancing any military infrastructure or fortifications beyond their own side. As mentioned above, it can be indicated that the landmine incident would not have happened if the Thai side had fully respected and implemented the ceasefire agreement by maintaining their current troop deployment without further movement, as it was the time of ceasefire entered into force at midnight on 28 July 2025. In this sense, Cambodia once again called on Thailand to strictly respect and implement with good faith the spirit of the ceasefire and demand that Thailand immediately stop using the landmine incident to deceive the international community in order to mask its violation of the ceasefire agreement. Thank you for your attention.